Hi, my name is Rachel Mixon. Welcome to my channel. Here we do mommying while businessing and businessing while mommying. Enjoy. Okay, so this video is about productivity in the morning. I'm trying a new thing that I've been working my way up to called a 5-minute morning. So I have about 5 minutes anytime there's a disaster awaiting me. 5 minutes before it turns into that disaster. So in the morning, the kids are still asleep. And if I do 5-minute tasks, even if they wake up toward the beginning of that task, I'll still be okay. And that way I can edit whatever tasks I don't get to, try to prioritize. And this week we will be looking at dishes. And you are going to listen to Swipsey by Joplin while I'm doing the dishes. I am a piano teacher and that is me playing. It is not perfect. Neither is my life. And I want to shout out to Dana K. White for teaching me how to do my dishes, and that dishes were very, very important. She has a YouTube channel and also a podcast called A Slob Comes Clean. She's a theater teacher like me. And yeah, check her out. She's amazing. I was just putting away. Now we have to load. That's my son practicing his piano. Okay, the sink is mostly rinsed out now, so let's see. All of that took 7 minutes and 38 seconds, but it was really 2 tasks, so I'm okay with that. In the second session, you'll be hearing Maple Leaf Rag, also played by me. And you'll see me doing my super boring morning routine, which is brushing, flossing, water pick, and then the most minimal amount of makeup that I think I can get away with. I sped it up a lot so that it was super short. And that's my little daughter you will hear trying to help me practice piano. Hey, kids' room. They don't actually sleep in here. Won't be winning any Best Mom of the Year awards for that one, but them and my husband are still asleep, so I have time to clean up a little bit. And this is me singing Everything Changes by Sara Bareilles from The Waitress. It was the recital song I did at last June's recital. Today's a day like any other, but I am changed, I am a mother. Oh, in an instant, I can heal, and I can breathe, 'cause I can feel myself believe. Oh, my heart's at the wheel now, and all my mistakes, they make sense when I turn them around. Everything changes. Okay, welcome back. Got a lot done this morning. Now, SEO. That's the main theme of this video. This is what you've all been waiting for, and I did my research, and I have to admit, I didn't just do it in 5 minutes. So I took a few notes, and I will link what I have been watching down below. The website that I liked was moz.com/beginner's guide to SEO/why search engine marketing is necessary. And I liked it, even though it was kind of dire. A lot of it, like half of it, was about how you shouldn't do black hat SEO and everything should be correct, and like, you know, don't say something that's not true. So I don't know how to do bad stuff, so it's gonna be fine. And the notes that I took, my to-dos, my takeaway, and you're gonna have your own takeaway, but my takeaway that I need to do is 1, be more specific about my location. We service all of the west side of Los Angeles, so I have a lot of locations. So I have to narrow it down. I don't have a physical location that never changes. Like I don't pay rent. I pay multiple rents all over. And most of our clients want us to come to their homes. And then we have a host of clients that we've grown over the pandemic that are virtual. That my son is calling mother. Hang on. Okay, sorry. I think I'm shorter. Okay. So that's number one, to like go to my Google business listing and double check that the location is correct and that we listed all the areas that we service and that we have an actual physical location. Now, my second task, which is going to have to be another 5-minute morning, is read the full Google Webmaster Guidelines and Bing Webmaster Guidelines. I don't know what those are. I will let you know when I know. And then number 3, what is a lead generation site? I was thinking of like the song My Generation and leading the music. I don't know. So I looked it up real quick, and it is a website that gathers contact information from its site browsers. So I have where you can register for a free lesson on our website, and but I hope to have more people, fill something like that out. So we want more leads generated. Get it? Lead generation. We want more leads generated from our website. It also said something about vanity metrics. I'm not interested in that anyway. So number 4, I have 2 more. So 4 and 5. Use SEO to drive traffic to my website so that I can get students. So they said it's really important to have a plan of why you're learning SEO, why you even have a business, like a business plan to begin with. Look, I have a business because I love what I'm doing. I love teaching. And my plan is to have enough students taking lessons from our little company so that I can have enough money to hire a marketing person. And then 10 years from now, I would like to have enough money, and grow the number of students over time so that we can have enough income avenues from after school programs, from theater classes, from summer camps, from weekly lessons, so that I can take a step back, so that eventually I wouldn't just have hired a marketing person. I would have also hired a CEO, a CFO. I would have converted my independent contractors into actual employees. I don't know how that changes how the business looks in the future, because all I've been doing for the last many years is being a sole proprietor. So I realized I'm not looking at the camera again. You guys, I'm sorry. So that's my plan. My short-term plan is to just be able to afford marketing. That's why I'm here on YouTube. And then my long-term plan is to be able to step back and have it be a business that generates income so that I can be a full-time mom. I've never been a full-time mom. The closest I got was like for 6 weeks after my first son was born, and I didn't work because I was in so much pain from having my first son. And then I really regretted that. I should have started working the moment I could move, because we were the finances went. Okay, number 5. I need to correct the website. The main homepage, you see the first picture and then it scrolls. There's supposed to be multiple pictures that scroll to the side, and it scrolls and there's nothing. There's like white. So I need to fix that. We have really nice photos. I have tons of material and content. I just haven't posted it. So that's it, friends. That's as much as I had time for. And so this has been an awakening for me about how a 5-minute morning can snowball into something bigger, which I think is good. I wasn't looking to minimize. I was just looking to get going. So you too can get going in just 5 minutes. Just divide up your tasks and give yourself permission to go help your son find his bicycle, feed little miss. Like, just give yourself permission to do those things, and I think you'll be farther along than you think. I am much farther along than I thought I was going to be. So all it takes is just deciding that you're going to spend time. And if you really decided, if you're not just like putting a foot in the water and then taking it back out again, if you really decided, then success follows. So I'm very happy with this, and I hope that you were happy getting to know Mixon Music a little bit. I still haven't decided on the for sure name for the YouTube channel, Mixon Music Business Mom. Seems long. Music Business Mom is cleaner, but it's also a little like you don't know what I do really. And if I go Mixon Business Mom, then at least it's using my name, and it's also half of the name of the company. And it also covers, like, I didn't want to appeal just to people that are interested in music or the music business, because I'm really in the teaching business. It's not just music. So I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.